Your next profile picture could literally kill you. In Hanoi, thousands of tourists are flocking to Train Street, a razor-thin alley where a massive locomotive screams past cafes just inches from your face. What used to be a quiet neighborhood for locals is now a viral death trap. The government keeps trying to shut it down with police barricades because people keep jumping onto the tracks for selfies seconds before the train hits. But travelers just sneak past the guards anyway. It is chaotic, loud, and totally dangerous. It turns out the fear of missing out is actually stronger than the fear of getting hit by a moving train.